Hello class, Matt, your COM 115 instructor here. Hope you all had a great Thanksgiving holiday weekend and were able to spend some quality time with your family or friends, or watching football, or hanging out, doing whatever your chosen activity was for Thanksgiving. But now we are entering the home stretch as we come into week 5 of this term of COM 115. And as you can see from the title of this week, we're going to home in deeper into academic integrity. Now, we talked about this a lot last week, and we're going to get more into it again this week. Last week we touched on how plagiarism is one of the most common forms of cheating in school, but it also happens more and more often in the workplace as well. Now, I mentioned in some of my discussion posts a few weeks ago that some employers consider it a fireable offense if you plagiarize company reports, documents, presentations, anything like that. They can actually fire you for that and consider themselves justified for doing so. Now, this week you have a few things on deck. First off is discussion. For this week's discussion board activity, you're going to find an article or a resource. This could be anything that you locate online or in the library or whatever that discusses an actual case of plagiarism. And there are many out there. You just have to know where to search and what to look for. You want to find an article that has not only the case but also the consequences of the action. And in your initial post, you're going to talk about the plagiarism issue in your article, how it could have been avoided, and then evaluate the punishment. So basically, was the punishment fair? Was it unfair? And then you need to discuss why you feel that way. Finally, you're going to make sure to provide an in-text and reference-page citation for any and all references that you use outside in your discussion post. Then you've got your project brochure content outline, pretty self-explanatory here. This is a big step into finishing your portfolio project. You're going to write up an outline of the content you'll present in your brochure. Make sure to access the sample on Blackboard and follow it as closely as you can. Then you've got a reflection. For your weekly reflection now, you'll look at a range of consequences for academic cheating, from first-time offenses to repeat offenses. And here you're going to line those out and explain why an academic institution like Bryant and Stratton or any other school must uphold its policies related to academic cheating and plagiarism. So that's about all for this week. I'm going to keep it short. I will focus on getting your weekly grades to you by Thursday, but remember your discussion board rules about posting. Remember the rule of 3. You've got 3 days. Spread your posts out over 3 days and respond to at least 3 classmates' initial posts. You're all doing a great job in class so far. I've been very, very happy with how everyone has progressed so far. So keep up that hard work. I will see you in the discussion board, but if you have any questions, just let me know. You can email me. My email address is maclark@bryantstratton.edu. That's all for me. Have a great week. See you in the discussion board.